Everyone, welcome to this channel again, and today we are here with the second tutorial of SQL. As you know, yesterday we have started a new series in structured query language. So let's get started. So now, basically today we learn about what are the basic operations performed on the database. So here are 4 basic operations performed on database, that is create or insert, read or retrieve, update or modify, and delete and drop. Or here we also can remember such operations as a short form CRUD. So if you are not able to learn all the 4 steps, so you can learn it as a short form, that is CRUD. So CRUD are the basic operation performed on database. So now second one is, what is DBMS? Are you know about DBMS? If yes, so please comment below what do you understand by the DBMS. Basically DBMS stands for Database Management System. Database is only a software which is used to maintain and manage the data into database. Okay, so basically data is stored in the database. So what are the methods in which software which helps to manage the data and maintain the data? So that is DBMS. It is also provide 2 important factors. First is security and second authorization. If you are using a database software, so definitely it will improve the security level and authorization. Security means you know that no one will can access your ID, your data and anything which is yours. Okay, and authorization means if you have your credentials, so that doesn't mean anyone can hack your ID or anything else which you are using. So basically database management system helps to prevent it from the hacking also. So basically here you have to learn 2 things. First of all, if you want to connect with or communicate with the database, then you should know the query language. And if you want to communicate with the RDBMS, that is database management system, that you have to know about the structured query language. So this is the basic difference between the query language and the structured query language. So here we have our next slide. Now, do you know about RDBMS? So basically RDBMS is stand for Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is a type of DBMS software which helps to arrange and store the data into tabular format or table format. There are the 2 basic difference between the database management system and relational database management system is that RDBMS give all the data and stored and arrange all the data into tabular format. If any database management system is follow RDBMS or Relational Database Management System, that means all the data will arrange into the tabular format. So RDBMS also provides 2 important factors, that is security and authorization. Note, this is very important for you all. We use standard query language, that is SQL, to communicate with the RDBMS, that means Relational Database Management System. And second one is query language, that is used to communicate with the DBMS. So here our next topic is relational model. What do you mean by relational model? Basically relational model is a concept which was designed by the data scientist C.R.U.D. With the help of relational model concept, data will be stored in the tabular format. That's it. This is the relational model. A basic note, that is a database software which allows to follow the relational model is arrange or maintain all the data into tabular format. Next one is table. Table is a logical organization of data which consists of row and columns. Table is consist of rows and columns, where rows also refer as the records or tuples, and second columns also referred as attributes or fields. So next topic is, what is row, column and cell? A basic definition of row, column and cell are: row is also referred as records and tuples. A row is used to represent that all the properties of single entity. Second one is column. Column is also referred as attribute or fields. A column is used to represent one property to all the entity. And last one is cell. Cell is the smallest unit in the table in which we store the data. Basically, intersection of row and column generate a cell. So this is here all about the tables, data, database, RDBMS and DBMS. So guys, this is all about for the today's session. Okay, so if you have any query and doubt, so feel free to contact me. You can contact me through the social media, as I give all the links in the description, and also you can comment in the below comment section. Okay, in this tutorial na, I will provide only those things, only which things which is very useful for you, and short definition, and I want to give you all the stuff which I give the best from the internet and all. So grab this opportunity, learn points to point, by which you will build your capabilities and learning skills. So thanks a lot. Keep sharing the video. Stay safe. Goodbye.